Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to use the clear formatting option on your Google Slide mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the red color subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to use clear formatting option on the Google Slide mobile, I just going to show in this video. Just clicking on this plus symbol and opening a new presentation here. So now I just going to type here something called the title. So now just selecting this and making a text formatting option. So I'm just going to apply bold, italic, underline option, and also a strike through, and changing the font style here. And then we can just increase the size of the text like this, then changing the color. So of course that color. Okay, so we just applied lot of text formatting option here. So I just need to back to its original position or original text format. So you just need to click this particular option, which actually cancel every text formatting option that you applied on the text. Click on this clear formatting option. You just click on select the text, click on this A symbol, click on the clear formatting option, which actually restore the text to its original position. I think this video helped you a lot, and this is an important tool. Just try it, and we will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.